again to Step by Step English 1.
This is the podcast where English is part of your daily life.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Just relax, enjoy, and remember, no stress, no pressure.
Step by step, you'll get better every day. So, Sarah, let me think how to explain this. I had the weirdest conversation yesterday.
With who this time?
With my landlord and my boss and my mom. Basically, everyone decided to speak English to me on the same day.
No.
Yes, and I realized something horrible, something existential, something that shook my English soul.
What happened?
I cannot use modals correctly.
Oh gosh.
My landlord said, "You must pay the rent by Friday." And I answered, "I must probably pay it?"
Tom!
I don't know why I added maybe. Then my boss said, "You should send the report today." And I answered, "I should, but I might not, if the universe says no."
Oh, Tom.
And my mom said, "Can you visit this weekend?" And I said, "I could, I may, I might, I must, I don't know."
Your mom must have thought you were having a crisis.
Exactly. So today, please save me from modal madness.
Perfect timing, because today's episode is...
Modals: can, could, may, might, should, must, and have to. Thank you. My grammar is crying for help.
Let's start with the simplest one, can.
Yes, the only modal I sometimes use without destroying my life.
Can is used for ability, permission, and informal possibility.
Okay, let me try. I can cook breakfast.
Good.
But actually, that's a lie. I burn breakfast. I can help my coworkers. I can solve problems.
Exactly. Those are ability examples.
And permission, like, you can use my pen, right?
Exactly. Can is informal permission.
But not, you can marry my sister, right?
No, Tom. Definitely not.
I said that once, and my neighbor looked terrified.
Okay, Tom, moving on. Now let's talk about could. It's used for past ability, polite requests, and possibility.
Okay, I could dance well when I was a kid. Now I dance like a broken robot.
That's perfect for past ability. For polite request,
Could you help me?
exactly. It's more polite than can.
Possibility. It could be a problem.
Perfect.
I once told my boss I could finish this today, but I meant maybe. He thought I meant yes.
See, modals matter. Now let's talk about may. It's more formal than can or could.
Yes. May feels elegant, like drinking tea with your pinky up.
Use may for formal permission or possibility. You may enter. You may begin. It may rain later.
Let me try. You may take a cookie. That sounds like a fancy bakery.
Yes, very elegant.
And possibility, it may rain today. It may get my life together this year. Probability low.
May is about possibility, not probability.
One time, someone told me, "You may sit." And I felt like I was in a royal palace. So I answered, "Thank you, Your Majesty."
Tom!
Sorry, I was tired.
Now let's move to might. Might is similar to may, but the possibility is weaker.
So may is maybe and might is maybe, but probably not.
That's actually a good explanation.
Wow, finally something I said makes sense.
Examples. It might rain later. I might visit my parents this weekend. We might need more information.
Let me try. I might clean my apartment today. Probability 2%. I might start a diet. Probability -5%. One time I told my boss I might finish this today, and he asked, should I expect it or not? And I said, expect? Hope? Dream?
Oh, Tom. Now let's talk about should. Should is for advice and recommendations.
Oh, my mom loves this one. You should sleep earlier. You should eat better. You should stop being dramatic.
Those are perfect. Use should for advice, expectations, moral ideas, like people should be kind.
Let me try. You should relax more, Tom. You should stop burning breakfast. You should practice English.
Excellent. Now try a work example.
I should finish my report today. Wow, that actually sounds professional.
Exactly.
A coworker once told me you should organize your desktop, and I said I should, but my icons represent my emotions everywhere.
Now let's go to must. Must expresses strong obligation.
Yes, like my landlord yesterday.
Use must for rules, strong necessity, and logical deduction. Examples. You must wear a seatbelt. You must follow the rules. You studied all night. You must be tired.
Let me try. I must wake up early tomorrow. But will I? Probably not. I must finish my homework. I must drink more water.
Perfect.
One time my boss said I must send this email by 3 p.m. I panicked and sent it to the wrong person.
Tom, you...
Sorry.
All right, listeners, it's time to practice all the modals together. Repeat with confidence and focus on your intonation. First, can, ability. Repeat, I can speak English. I can learn new skills.
I can try not to burn my breakfast. No promises.
Now, could, polite possibility. Repeat, I could visit you tomorrow. It could rain later.
I could go to the gym, but I won't. Sorry.
Now, may, formal possibility or permission. Repeat, I may join the meeting. You may start when you're ready.
I may clean my apartment today. Probability very, very low.
Next, might, weak possibility. Repeat, I might study tonight. They might cancel the event.
I might become a millionaire. Probability negative, but who knows?
Now, should, advice. Repeat, you should practice every day. You should drink water.
You should give me a raise. Oh, wait, you're not my boss.
Now, must, strong obligation. Repeat, you must follow the rules. You must take care of yourself.
I must stop watching videos at 3 a.m. I feel emotionally attacked.
Finally, have to, external obligation. Repeat, I have to work tomorrow. I have to pay my bills.
I have to stop procrastinating, but I might not.
Tom.
Sorry.
Great job, everyone. Now let's talk about how to integrate all of these modals into real daily life.
My brain might explode soon.
Trust me, you can handle it. All right, listeners, it's time to practice all the modals together. Repeat with confidence and focus on your intonation. First, can, ability. Repeat, I can speak English. I can learn new skills.
I can try not to burn my breakfast. No promises.
Now, could, polite possibility. Repeat, I could visit you tomorrow. It could rain later.
I could go to the gym, but I won't. Sorry.
Now, may, formal possibility or permission. Repeat, I may join the meeting. You may start when you're ready.
I may clean my apartment today. Probability very, very low.
Next, might, weak possibility. Repeat, I might study tonight. They might cancel the event.
I might become a millionaire. Probability negative, but who knows?
Now, should, advice. Repeat, you should practice every day. You should drink water.
You should give me a raise. Oh wait, you're not my boss.
Now, must, strong obligation. Repeat, you must follow the rules. You must take care of yourself.
I must stop watching videos at 3 a.m. I feel emotionally attacked.
Finally, have to, external obligation. Repeat, I have to work tomorrow. I have to pay my bills.
I have to stop procrastinating, but I might not.
Tom!
I'm sorry.
Great job, everyone. Now let's talk about how to integrate all of these modals into real daily life.
My brain might explode soon.
Trust me, you can handle it. Let's integrate modals into real situations so listeners can feel how they work naturally.
Okay. I'm scared, but ready.
Scene 1. Work. Your boss says, Tom, can you finish this today? Ability.
Yes, I can.
Your coworker says, you should double check your numbers. Advice.
Yes, I should. I really should.
Your HR says, you must submit it by 5 p.m. Obligation.
Must. The scary modal.
And the system says you have to upload it.
Yes, technology forcing me again.
Scene 2. Travel. You must show your passport. You have to arrive early. You may board now. You can use the bathroom on the plane. It might be delayed.
Might be delayed. Feels like sadness.
It means possible, not sad.
For me, it's the same.
Scene 3. Dating. Can I call you later? I might be free. You should text me first. We must be honest. We have to communicate.
Wow, dating is full of modals.
Yes, modals are emotional tools.
No wonder I'm single.
Scene 4. family. You must eat more veggies. You should visit more often. You may come this weekend. You might see your cousins.
Might, probability low.
Scene 5. Self-improvement. You can learn anything. You could improve faster if you practice. You may feel tired sometimes. You might doubt yourself. But you should continue. You must believe in your progress. You have to stay consistent.
Wow, that sounds like inspirational grammar.
So, friends, thank you so much for listening to Step by Step English channel.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode and learned something new.
Remember, you don't need perfect words. You just need words you can say today.
The key to good English is
Practice every day. Be patient with yourself. Be consistent. Step by step, you will improve.
please subscribe, share this episode with a friend, and leave a comment.
We can't wait to hear from you. Until next time,
Keep practicing
keep smiling,
and
keep learning. Bye, everyone.